David from Zipper, and we have 3 prizes to give away, and I'll go in order of increasing value. Our Twitter contest, we're giving away our first Nexus tablet. That goes to Peter Kuhar. Peter Kuhar. If you're here, you can meet us by where our table used to be, and we can arrange to get that tablet to you. Now on to the judging of the actual apps. In second place, and by the way, thank you to everybody for developing with the Zipper API. We value your feedback and your contributions, and a big part of this is to get people to actually ship apps, not just develop something for the hackathon. So for the second place prize of $3,000 plus 2 weeks of PR to help launch your app is number 116 Miles. Thank you guys, good job. And our number 1 prize of $5,000 plus 2 weeks of PR from Horizon PR, one of the top PR agencies here in the Valley, goes to number 109 AR Traveler. Thank you very much. Thank you, everybody.